If you went back and rewatched your math antics video that was at the very start of this lesson, you would have been able to answer these questions pretty easily. So arithmetic is where we have a math question or problem and the answer is the unknown. So answer is unknown. In algebra, however, we now have the introduction of a new concept where we have a symbol to represent the unknown. And this symbol can appear anywhere in our algebraic expressions or equations. It does not need to be the answer of it. An equation, which we already addressed in this lesson, is where we have something on one side and then an equal sign and something on the other side. So an equation is where we have two sides of to the right and the left of our equal sign, and whatever is on those two sides is balanced. It equals the same thing. So I always like to kind of think of that balance scale where you load things up on one side and it tips up and gets heavier. In order to make an equation in math, both sides of your balance scale need to have the same amount of items in them so they have the same value and the same weight. And then the last piece of the reflection, what is the goal of algebra? Our goal in algebra is to solve for the unknown. So we want to know what is the value of x or n or whatever the number or sorry, whatever the letter is that is being used to represent the unknown.